10 Best Legit Ways to Earn Money Online 2019. 1. Download and install apps. A lot of companies, including Google, pay you for installing their apps. Moreover, you get paid for each month the apps are installed on your phone. Some of these sites include Shop Tracker. Answer a few questions, then launch the app on your device, and you earn $3 instantly. Keep the app on your phone to earn money each month and help companies understand what people are buying online. Nielsen Mobile Panel. From the people that run Nielsen TV ratings, the Nielsen mobile app rewards you for using your mobile device. You can earn up to $50 a year. Mobile Expression. Install this app and you'll be eligible to win prizes each week. You get to play an instant rewards game by participating in market research. 2. Test websites for $30 an hour. Ever visit a website and you thought about how bad or how great it was? Now you can get paid to share your thoughts. User testing. You can earn almost $30 for an hour. Here's how it works. You get paid $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. User testing pays you to visit websites or apps, complete a set of tasks, and record your thoughts. 3. Become a virtual assistant. Work for someone from home. Virtual assistants, VAs, can do everything from checking emails and making travel plans for handling internet research or working for their small business. High-end earners can command $50, $100 an hour. Some reputable sites are Zirtual and Upwork. 4. Review stuff. Write a review and earn anything between $1 and $50 per review according to the requirement. Yelp can give you some special invites. 5. Change your search engine. Do you use Google or Yahoo to search for something on the net? Now, leave them behind and opt for the Bing search engine. Conduct your regular searches on Bing, make it your default search engine, and earn credits that can be redeemed for gift cards. You can earn as much as $5 to $10 per month. Tip: just stay signed in when you perform a search. 6. Play online games. Are you an arcade or a poker champion? Play some of your favorite puzzle or card games at Inbox Dollars. It is fun, plus you can play for free as well as compete for rewards. 7. Fix Google's mistakes. Sites like Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc. pay you for fixing their search results. You just have to mend the errors of the search engine results and make them qualitative, relevant, and useful. Doing this, you can earn around $12 per hour from these sites. A penny Leap Force. 3. Lionbridge. 8. Sell your junk mail. Do you love getting junk mail? If you're like me, you probably don't. That's why we call it junk. Other than recycling, trash, or burn it in the winter, what can you do with it? The Small Business Knowledge Center is a market research company that will take your junk mail and email and give you a Visa prepaid card. 9. Maintain fan pages. Fan pages on Twitter or Facebook require people to connect with them. Log on to Fiverr and get jobs for maintaining social pages. 10. Review stuff. Write a review and earn anything between $1 and $50 per review according to the requirement. Yelp can give you some special invites.